Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Susan here, and if you're new to this channel, kindly consider to subscribe, share my videos, like and comment as always. Guys, if you're new to this channel, I do make some amazing recipes just for you, my fans. I do cook lots and lots of things, so I have all those videos, all those cooking videos onto my channel, so you can go ahead and check them out and support this girl over here. So for today's video, as you can see down there on the topic, I'm going to share with you some tips, on how to use a public toilet as a woman to avoid any kind of infection. Yeah. Yeah, so let's get to this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Yep. And share, comment and like, because I want to hear your views, and I hope this topic will be helpful to you, will be somehow, not even somehow, it will be helpful to you. So sit back till to the end of this video. Now you are in town, umeenda tao, uko shughuli zako, up and there, here and there, uko tu shughuli zako, and all of a sudden you feel like you're pressed, and you don't have any option but to go use the public toilet. Okay, so when reaching there, always always you have to pay this guy the 10 shillings, or wengine wanaitishogo hata 20, wanaitisha 20 shillings, and all you have to do is pay because you want to help yourself. So what I always feel irritated because okay, this guy atakupa ile tissue inakwanga ni 4 pieces. The tissue is not always enough, and sometimes I feel like I don't want to use their tissue because of the hygiene. Okay, so I feel like as a lady you have to walk along with a tissue inside your handbag. Okay, why am I saying so? This is because the guy already ameshika hizo pesa, and the money haikwangi hivyo clean. Pesa inakwanga somehow chafu. Okay, so ameshika, ana collect money from different people, and the same hands he's using to collect the money is the same hands anachukua ile tissue, then hand the tissue over to you. That feel, I always feel like no, like hiyo sio usafi. Unajua, as a lady, and you are going to use the same tissue to clean down there, I feel like that leads to some infections. Yeah, so I always advise ladies to, like, when you are going anywhere, just carry a tissue inside your bag, because you never know. Yeah, because he being pressed, aisemagi nakuja, all of a sudden just feel like you pressed and you have to use the toilet. Yeah, so always carry enough tissue, and that will be helpful to you because you'll be avoiding some infections and all those dirty things. Okay, that's tip number 1. Carry tissue with you. Okay, and this is what I'm talking about. You can just take this amount with you. It doesn't cost you anything. Yeah, and when reaching there, take as much roll of tissue as you can. Yep. Okay, and I use that to clean yourself. Okay, I hope I'm clear on that. Tip number 1 is a walk along with a tissue inside your bag. As a lady, hatuwezi kosa katishu kwa bag zetu, so tusijaibishe na tujiletee mashida kwa mwili zetu. Okay, so guys, umeshalipa msee wa toilet, then unaingia kwa toilet. So when reaching the toilet, what do? You have to pull your trousers down and help yourself. And what I normally do is I lay enough tissue on the hole so that by the time I pee, the pee doesn't, splash on me. So guys, that's why I'm insisting on you carrying enough tissue with you. Okay, so what do? Do you bend kabisa ama do you squat? Can I hear the comments? Can I see the comments down there? Because I want to hear your views. Okay, so let's learn together. So do you squat or do you bend down kabisa? For me, I do squat. Okay, kusquat like ni kuinama tu kidogo, and then your knees inaku help na your feet, unajua una harden your feet, then you go, yeah, unainama na your knees zinakusupport. Okay, so that's what I normally do. I lay enough tissue on the hole, then I squat and release my pee. So wase, when it comes to releasing the pee, you have to like drop by drop by drop. Sasa unachilia your pee kidogo kidogo ukifunga. You release as you close the kitty. You release as you close the kahol. Okay, so I don't know if I can experiment this or like unaweza fanya hata hivi ile kuna tongue. Okay, so and by doing so you'll be helping yourself, like you'll be making down there to be tight. Yeah, wezi tuenda pale hivyo na unaanza tu guys, don't do that, because utakuwa unajisplashia urine inarudi kwako, na hizo ndo zina lead to infections that will throw your pH balance, will throw off your pH balance, you know. So by avoiding that, you just have to hold your kapi. You release as you hold, release as you hold, and by doing so you'll be helping yourself to tighten down there and to avoid all those kind of infections, guys. I feel like I love talking about these topics because I feel like I'm helping someone out there, and it's interesting, by the way, to share these tips with you. I always feel happy. This makes me a happy girl. Yeah, a happy girl. I hope I'm helping someone out there. So tip number 2, that is tip number 2, go squat, and don't forget to lay the tissue, squat, and release your pee drop by drop. Release as you hold the kitty. Guys, come on, subscribe. Kindly subscribe, because I don't want any one of you to miss any of my topics, guys. Subscribe if you haven't, and share my videos, like and comment. Okay, after memaliza kupi, you know, take your tissue, then I just tap there. Okay, tap it, don't drag it. Okay, if you drag, you'll end up having some infections like itching and all that. So to avoid that, just take a piece of tissue and tap. Let me show you, because this is my work to educate my fellow ladies out there. Okay, this is the tissue. Fold it in a nice way like so. Then after you're done kupi, you just what you have to do is tap like thrice, just to make sure it's dry. You don't want to smell urine. Okay, so you have to tap 1, 2, then geuza tena 1, 2, and 3, and you're good to go. Ukidrag hivi, and if you have to drag, like unajiamini sana, ukidrag ndo unakuwa clean. If you have to drag, then start from kwa kiti ukirudi na nyuma. Okay, kiti, then ukirudi na nyuma. Okay, usianze from anus to kiti, utajaribu, utajiletea magonjwa. Okay, I hope umelearn kitu pale hivyo. Okay, another thing is maybe umeenda na bag yako kwa toilet, your handbag, because you can't trust anyone out there kushikia handbag. People are not good out here, so you have to carry your bag with you. Umefika kwa toilet, kama hakuna kamsumari pale juu amegongelea kwa mlango, then eka tu handbag yako hapa kwa shoulder. Okay, ladies, we should avoid this. Umefika kwa toilet and then you remove your handbag and get it on the floor. Guys, I'm even getting goosebumps. Mimi siwezi fanya kitu kayo because I love myself. Na sasa pale ndani, ani the hygiene kwa your toilet is not good enough. Oh guys, just please stop doing this. Kama hakuna kamsumari kakuelekea bag, afadhali ukwe na handbag yako. Hata mimi siwezi ekelea kwa hiyo msumari because it's a toilet. Imebeba also such kind of dirt. So mimi siwezi amini hata ile msumari. I rather be with my handbag on my shoulders, ama hata sijui ama niekele, you know, uko na ka handbag ekele kwa shingo hivi, then hold it up hivi, then use your right hand to help yourself with taking the tissue and helping yourself, tapping there, and you're good to go. Avoid putting your handbags on the floor. That's tip number 3. Okay guys, I love you guys. So you are done with all that. So you tapped yourself there, so it's time for you to leave the toilet clean, and that's flushing the toilet. What do you do as a lady? Take the tissue again, some pieces of tissue, okay, and just, you know, use these to flush your toilet. Shika kale ka handle ka ku flush, then flush the toilet. And then kama ni ile flush ya kufinya, then you can use the tissue and just finya the flush and flush all that dirt, okay? And kama ni ile mkebe yako wamechonga kama mkebe nikakuchota maji kwa ndoo, use the toilet paper to hold that thing. Mimi naombaga tu, ani nikiendanga tao sitakangi ni feel like compressed because ani nasikianga sijui aje, it irritates me. But I don't have any option but to use the toilet. So when I go there, I carry enough tissue with me. Use the tissue to hold that kamtungi ama that mkebe, then chota maji, flush the toilet, and you're good to go. After flushing the toilet, kuna doorknob, okay? I think this is tip number 5. Flushing the toilet is tip number 4. Then the doorknob is tip number 5. The doorknob pia inabibanga uchafu. Unajua maybe msee ameenda pale hivyo, maybe someone ameenda poop pale. Unajua wengine wametumia tu maybe kale katishu kadogo, wame clean themselves and maybe wame mess their hands and wanashika the doorknob na hiyo uchafu. So inakuanga tu ni uchafu mingi kwa toilet wasee. As a lady, beba tissue mob kabisa. So hiyo doorknob inafunguliwa na kila mtu, different kind of people. Unajua wanaingia wasee wengi sana. So use a tissue again to open the door. Hold the doorknob and open it using a tissue. By doing so, you will be avoiding all those kind of dirt, all those kinds of sijui vitu gani. Just avoid them. Use as much tissue as you can to save pesa yako kwenda hosi, okay? Mimi nawaambia msipuuze, just carry enough tissue with you and use as much tissue as you can to be on the safer side, okay? That's tip number 5. Yeah guys, I think and I'm hoping you're learning something from this video. Then after all those 5 tips, it's time for you to now wash your hands. Kuna toi zingine wanakuanga wameka hand wash pale hivyo. So finya sabuni and clean your hands with you, clean them so well, Yeah, osha mikono vizuri, then take your tissue again, tap the water and apply some moisturizer or kama mafuta kenye umebeba, just apply kwa mikono zako vizuri and enda shughuli zako sasa. So umemaliza haja sasa, wewe nenda ukashughulike mpaka saa zile utarudi nyumbani kwako. Okay, I think guys mmelearn kitu kutoka kwa hii video and nimefeel poa sana ku create this video for you just to share some tips with you. This feels so good to me. I feel like doing such kind of videos kila time. And guys, kama hauja watch tips on how to be good on bed, kindly go check on my channel. How to wash your down there, go check on my channel. I have so many videos, so many videos. And don't forget to share my videos, like, comment as always. Guys, I love you all. Keep pushing me because wase niwaambie nini, karibu tunafika hapo. Imagine we almost there. I can't wait to celebrate this with you. Just keep pushing me. Subscribe and share my videos. Like and comment, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up because I say like inani unajua ina help video yangu malipa kubwa sana. So if you enjoy my video, just click that button. It's free of charge. They don't charge you any amount of money. It's just free. So put your notifications on so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Utapata tu notification, Millie Susan, I'm upload video, and click that notification and enjoy my video. As simple as that, guys. And mimi hapa nitakuwa tunasema aki asanteni sana, aki woija our bless sana. Okay. So guys, nawapenda sana and I love your feedbacks, zinanipeanga zile motisha za kufanya more and more videos. And for my returning subscribers, I do say thank you so much because you've been of help. Or say I wish tu mngekuwa karibu niwafanyie tu, niwape a big hug, niwafeel tu. Okay, I really appreciate your efforts so much. And for the new subscribers, karibuni sana wageni wangu, nawapenda sana. And continue subscribing to this channel because I don't disappoint. I do cook yummiest foods, simplest foods, and delicious foods, and in a simple and easy way as always. Just check my recipes na nyinyi wenyewe mtaniambia. Okay, I have enjoyed today's video. I hope so. Guys, up to there, nataka kusema thank you so much, and until on my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye bye. Support Millie Susan.